Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is new section I've started. Please join this small community for good work by hit the like button, share button and drop the comment which unboxing video you want and hit the bell icon so that you got notification first. Now, let's go to unwrap the product. If you want to buy, check the link given in description. Let me quickly unbox the device and show you like what all things are there inside. Alright, the first thing you will see is the support and the installation guide, which is very simple to understand. The next one is the cable, so we have multiple cable option like this will support multiple routers and switches so that you can connect this UPS to your router, the Wi-Fi router or wired routers. The next thing is the UPS itself. So this has been packed very nicely, so it's like it has got soft cushions all around, so it will be protected from all kind of damages during the transit. Now let me show you like how does it work. So as I told, like this device will give you uninterrupted internet connection even the power goes off. So how does it do? Because this device will be connected to your Wi-Fi router or modem, and then when power goes off, automatically the backup will start and the Wi-Fi router will not be disconnected. So now let me try to connect this Octal UPS to one of my Wi-Fi routers. So here you can see that this is dealing DIR 816 Wi-Fi router, and here you can see that this router needs 12 volt of input power and our Octal UPS also gives 12 volt of DC. So you have to make sure that whenever you are using this Octal UPS you have 12 volt of power supply. So any router, any modem which takes 12 volt as input will support this Octa Mini UPS. Now let me quickly show you like how you have to connect your Wi-Fi router to this Mini UPS. Like you just have to check like which power cable or which socket works with this particular UPS. It comes with multiple options, so it will fit in most of the Wi-Fi routers. So here you can see that I have already connected and turned it on, and now it is powering on my Wi-Fi router. So you can see that Octa is powering on my Wi-Fi router without any issues, and it is not actually charging now. So what you have to do is like put in the Wi-Fi adapter to this particular input port of Octa Mini UPS, but if it doesn't fit in, then use this adapter, this cable adapter which comes with Octa Mini UPS. Just connect that to the router adapter and then connect it to the UPS and just plug it in, and you will see that Octo will start getting charged. So now here you can see that we have to make this combination, like you have to put the router like Wi-Fi router adapter as input to this UPS, and then from output of this UPS it will go to the input of your Wi-Fi router. So this is very plain and simple design, and you would be able to understand very easily, and this LED will help you to see like okay, the power backup is running or not. If power backup is having any problem, then light will not glow. Alright, so this was the high level details about Octa Mini UPS, and let me tell you that in my performance testing it gave me 3.5 hours of battery backup for Wi-Fi router, and it took approximately 4 hours to get this device completely charged. So I believe like this deal is not bad, because in 1500 rupees you're getting such a solid performing Octa Mini UPS. Alright friends, so this was my complete review for Octa Mini UPS. I hope you liked it. If you like, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video, and if you have any question regarding this UPS, please mention in the comments below. And if you want to buy this device, click on the Amazon link which is given in the description. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.